In every corner of Asia, echoes of an ancient civilization still whisper through temples, legends, and forgotten ruins. A civilization that once stretched far beyond today's borders. A civilization called Bharat. Today, we begin a journey to rediscover its lost divisions, its shared culture, and its timeless spirit. This is the story of Akhanda Bharat. Once upon a time, Bharat was not just a country. It was a living civilization stretching from the mountains of Iran to the islands of Indonesia. A vast cultural world that shared one heritage, one memory, and one spiritual heartbeat. As the ancient map unfolds, borders light up across centuries. A timeline sweeps from 300 BCE to 2025 CE, showing how kingdoms rose, how cultures merged, and how regions drifted away. Flashes of Angkor Wat, the ruins of Takshila, Ramayana dances in Indonesia, and the Buddhist stupas of Gandhara appear. Finally, the modern map of India emerges with the message, Akhand Bharat, the 24 divisions. Afghanistan, once known as Gandhara, home to Shakuni, Gandhari, and the wisdom of Takshila. Its valleys echoed with Sanskrit, trade, and Buddhist learning. Iran, the land of ancient iron roots and fire temples, a civilizational cousin that shared rituals and stories long before borders were drawn. Nepal, the sacred home of Pashuptinath, a Himalayan guardian of Sanatan Dharma and timeless traditions. Bhutan, shaped by teachings that flowed from Nalanda and Tibetan monasteries, preserving centuries of Buddhist spirituality. Cambodia, where mighty Angkor Wat rose as the world's largest temple, built on stories from our epics. Indonesia, the island empire of Suvarna Advipa, where the Ramayana still dances and kings once carried Sanskrit names. Myanmar, a land of golden pagodas, monks, and ancient cultural links with Bharat through trade and shared stories. Foreign empires arrived, and their flags swept across these lands. British, Spanish, French, each carving their influence. In 1947, Bharat was divided into India and Pakistan, and in 1971 Bangladesh was born. New identities emerged, but the cultural roots remained connected. Malaysia and Vietnam still echo with Hindu temples. The Philippines carry Spanish influence over older Southeast Asian traditions. Sri Lanka, the Lanka of the Ramayana, preserves memories of Ravana and the footsteps of Buddha. Pakistan and Bangladesh hold architecture shaped by centuries of shared culture. Before these separations, there were the ancient Mahajanaptas. Gandhara, the seat of learning. Kamboja, the frontier warriors. Kaushal, the sacred kingdom of Lord Rama. Anga, the land of Karna. Kashi, eternal Varanasi. Vatsa, home of scholars and kings. Avanti, the Ujjain of astronomy. Matsya, rich with tribal lore and forgotten epics. These names may fade from modern maps, but not from our story. Akhand Bharat is not a claim and not a political line. It is a memory, a civilizational universe, a timeless truth. This journey is only the beginning. As we uncover each division, each culture, and each forgotten kingdom, we reconnect with the shared past that shaped half of Asia. Stay with us as we explore the stories, the legends, and the civilizations that once rose together.